Welcome back everyone, it's Little Fishy and we're making a texture pack. Today I made the TNT or trinitrotoluene texture. So I started with a regular basic wood planks texture and darkened the planks because it's going to be under the other planks that are going to go across it, kind of like a creative TNT. I started with one diagonal and then two verticals up the sides and then horizontals across the top, and I'm having all the planks cast shadows on each other to give it, or on the lower ones, to give it some form of depth. But yeah, then after that I struggled to figure out how to paint TNT on the cross piece, on the diagonal piece. I ended up just painting TNT across the whole box, and then I ended up, I spent a long time trying to figure out how to get the right color of red to make it visible. But yeah, after that, here's the finished TNT.